Hey everyone, I wanted to show you how to sign up or how to sign someone else up. Um, just walk you through it. So you're going to click become a member up there at the top, and it brings you to this page, and then you'll hit get started, and then you're going to see our premium starter kit with the 12 oils, and you can pick the diffusers that you want to go with it. You get one. And then if you're looking for the other kits like our Thieves kit, the Ningxia kit, or our brand new Kid Sense kit, which I love, and right now we still have the Welcome Home kit available. Those are under the other premium kit tabs, and you can come down here, and also our CBD kit. So you'll choose whichever kit you want. Specialty kits would include like for the foreign markets and other options there. But typically, people choose the oils or one of the other premium kits. So that you'll choose your kit. I'm just going to go with oils to keep it simple. It tells you what's in it. So then I always have people hit yes essential rewards because they start earning that 10% back right away from their kit. So they get the $10 in rewards credits. And then you're going to click yes, use your premium starter kit as the first one so that you do get that 10% back on it. And then it's going to ask you to set up a template for the next month for Essential Rewards so that you don't get another starter kit because your ER will automatically process and you can go change it anytime you want. But a lot of what was happening is people were forgetting to change it. So they have you set up the next month. So you can customize something or just choose one of these. I recommend either the Thieves or Ningxia. It doesn't matter. You can just choose one and then continue enrollment. Unless there's more you want to add, then you can go do that. So then they're going to fill in all of their personal information here. The part that's going to be really important is having them fill in your sponsor and enroller ID number. So you're going to make sure that your number gets filled into both those spaces after they've filled in all their personal information. And then they're going to click this box to agree to everything and continue. And then it's going to bring them to shipping and payment. They'll fill in their address, where all that's supposed to go, which they've already filled that in under member, so a lot of it gets automatically filled for them. They'll confirm their order and then they'll check out. And once they do that, they have their own account. They can log in with the password and member name that they chose and everything, and then they will show up in your virtual office and you'll be able to see them in your team, and they'll have their member number in your team as well, which they can also use to sign in again. One thing I will say to simplify this, you can send them your personal enrollment link and then it will automatically fill in your sponsor and enroller ID number for them. So that's important to have. We do have another video in the team page about how to do that. If you go look under new member unit, it should be in there. So I hope that was helpful. I'm so excited about where our team is going to go in the end of 2020 and beginning of 2021.